and 16.8 kilos. Stop. No, that one. Tell me when
Right,
you're ready.
now.
In centimetres, circumference is, you need to come this side, 126 centimetres. Now let's do the other. There's two things I have to do here. One is an over top that way and one is an over the top that way. So I come from here to the highest point. That goes to the bottom. Now you need to come this side of me. I don't know if you can see. You have to go up there. Ready? Come down to it. That's 90. Call that 96.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, 96. That way. Then we do the same thing, but over this direction. So over the highest point to the floor that side, to the floor this side, and again this is, what's that, 99. Don't know if you can see that. 99 that way.